Good morning everyone, welcome in this class. In our last video we had seen that how poor and Dalit people they struggled a lot for their equality under some important leader like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Today we will start our last topic, that is striving for equality. The another thing is the tribal. They never accept wholeheartedly the tribes in our society. It was from the very beginning when the tribes has their own culture, their look is different, their way of living is different, so they are not equal to other. That is the idea. That is the stereotype, prejudice people have in their mind, and people started behaving in that way. Many revolts, many revolutions we have seen in the past in British India to get their rights. The Santhal rebellion is one of the example. Actually, they wanted their equal right from the British. Coming to the peasants, the farmers, they started fighting even their fight for equality or against the moneylenders or the landlords who started exploiting them. They have a stereotype idea that these peasants cannot get more than a fixed amount and this much is enough for them and they need to live in this small economic background only. And the peasants and farmers many a time came out and started fighting against this inequality. Many leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, they fought for the right of these people. Like Dalit, we said, we better not use this term as we know that this is the term, actually it is hurting people. When you are following a stereotype, you are actually hurting people by using those terms. A person who cannot walk properly, we need to help them to walk. It is not that we will make fun on them that they cannot walk. Actually, we are doing the same thing here. Think about some students in your class. You will find some students, those who are little slow in learning. They have some learning disabilities. They cannot learn. First, we cannot tell them that they cannot study. But at the same time, we need to help them in the way they can learn. And we have a special name for them. They are special, so they are special children. They are not backward or disqualified to learn, disqualified to gather knowledge. And you cannot make fun on them because their way of learning is different. There is a small story for you. Thomas Alva Edison, one day when he was 6 years old, he came back from his school and with a letter in his hand, and he has given that letter to his mother. He was so small that he cannot read the letter. He was hand over the letter to his mother, where it was written that, I am telling you the way in which her mother read the letter. Dear Mrs. Edison, your boy is somehow different. Our class cannot provide the type of knowledge, the extra knowledge he always asks for. You better pay more attention on him. He is a genius. Help him to learn more. Help him to gather more knowledge and be a great man. And mother started working on her own boy. One day, after his mother's death, Alva Edison, he was searching all his mother's belongings to arrange them properly. He got that letter also, and there it was written that, Mrs. Edison, your boy is worthless. He cannot learn anything in his life. So just keep him at home. Don't send him to school. What do you think? This letter that day, if her mother had taken negatively, maybe even today we are in the dark. We cannot get the light. So his mother has taken it positively, and this positivity impacted his life and our life too. So the thing what we learn from this chapter is we need to enforce positivity, not prejudice. We need to remove negativity from the society. We need to remove discrimination from the society. The writers of our constitutions said that the respect of diversity is a significant element in ensuring equality. If we cannot respect each other, we cannot treat each other equally, inequality will be in our mind, which we cannot remove. Even people struggle for the positive action of the government as well as the positive action from all human beings, and can remove prejudice, stereotype and discrimination from the society. We can be diversified, but we need to be united. We need to be united in the society. And with this, our chapter number 2 is complete. We will start our next chapter in our next class.